Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinalo ng Muntinlupa Kidgers ang One Bataan Risers 90-85. Best player of the game si Marco Balagtas sa kanyang 25 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists. Panalo naman ang Mindoro Disciplinados kontra sa Valenzuela Shorehomes 113-93. Naging player of the game naman si Paulo Hubalde sa likod ng kanyang 17 points, 17 assists, 6 rebounds, 2 steals. Pinataob naman ng Makati Okibit Kings ang Imus SB Squad 84-83. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Rob Siles sa kanyang 29 points, 10 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 blocks. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ng MPBL ngayong September 30, 2023 nagaganapin sa Quezon Convention Center. Sa first game, maglalaban ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns alas 6 ng gabi. At sa main game, maghaharap ang Paranaque Patriots kontra sa Quezon Huskers alas 8 ng gabi. Heto naman ang mga laro ng MPBL ngayong October 3, 2023 nagaganapin sa Marikina Sports Center. Sa first game, maghaharap ang Bacoor City Strikers kontra sa One Bataan Risers alas 6 ng gabi. At sa main game, maglalaban ng Quezon Huskers kontra sa Marikina Showmasters alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ngayon as of September 29, 2023. Sa South Division, Bicol Volcanoes 1 win 27 losses, Laguna Croatia 4 wins 23 losses, Oriental Mindoro Disciplinados 6 wins 22 losses, Negros Mascobados 10 wins 18 losses, Sarangani Marlins 11 wins 17 losses, Bacolod Mascaras 11 wins 17 losses, Iloilo United Royals 12 wins 16 losses, Imus SB Squad 15 wins 13 losses, Muntinlupa Kidgers 16 wins 12 losses, Quezon Huskers 18 wins 8 losses, Zamboanga Families Brand Sardines 20 wins 8 losses, Jinsan Warriors 21 wins 7 losses, Batangas City 22 wins 6 losses, at nangunguna ang Bacoor City Strikers 22 wins 5 losses. Sa North Division naman, Quezon City to the Action Be Fresh 3 wins 25 losses, Valenzuela Shorehomes 3 wins 25 losses, Manila Stars 4 wins 23 losses, Bulacan Cuyas 7 wins 21 losses, Paranaque Patriots 11 wins 16 losses, Rizal Golden Colors 12 wins 16 losses, One Bataan Risers 13 wins 14 losses, Marikina Showmasters 15 wins 12 losses, Pasay Voyagers 17 wins 11 losses, Pasig City MCW Sports 19 wins 9 losses, San Juan Knights 19 wins 8 losses, Caloocan City 20 wins 8 losses, Makati Okibit Kings 21 wins 7 losses, Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards 23 wins 5 losses, at nangungunang Pampanga Giant Lanterns 25 wins 2 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.